Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1994 Toyota Liteace. It shows 136,000 miles. It's the 2.2 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel. It's a 5-speed manual, full-time 4-wheel drive with high and low ranges. Has front locking hubs. It shifts excellent, drives excellent. It's just a lovely little truck. Inside, the cloth seats are all nice. All the door cards, the headliner. It has an updated head unit with Apple CarPlay. It has actual cold AC. Seat 6 in the back. And this center row of seats will actually swap 180 to face the back, which is pretty fun. There's the instructions for it right there. Your rear controls for the heat and AC. Has new tires at all 4 corners. Just a super fun, funky little van.